Having trouble using TikTok effects or filters on your iPhone? It could be due to app glitches or network problems. No need to stress. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix TikTok effects not working or filters not showing up on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back to Home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tab. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Solution 4. Submit a request. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu, select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, I'm missing some advanced features on TikTok, like effects and filters. Please help me to get back these features. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. That's how you fix TikTok effects not working or filters not showing on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.